Hi, I'm Blake Graham. I'm one of the product managers here at Chauvet Professional. Inside the pitch right now, we have a wide variety of different Chauvet pictures. Everything from our Illuminart series of products to Ovation, Maverick, Rogue. Pretty much a little bit of everything is represented inside this space to give everybody an idea of some of the things that we can do within any given situation. At the show right now, we're showing a lot of our new technology that we're bringing out over the next year or so. Over the past few years in development, we've been very focused on new arising technology. We've embraced using NFC and Bluetooth. We're using a lot of new LED products in order to create some very new and unique ideas. With the NFC and the Bluetooth technology, we've released an app called Unrival, and within that app, you have the ability to, through NFC, with our newer pictures, actually tap the picture, and all the things that you would normally do inside the display, whether it's set an address, choose a personality, choose an operating mode, fan settings, what have you, you can do all that from your phone now. And what's really nice is you can go from fixture to fixture to fixture to fixture, and it'll actually advance the DMX addresses. So in that way, as you're advancing through your fixtures, the address is actually incrementally going up, so that way you are patching your rig. We've also included the ability to do, using MVR, which is my virtual rig, using the technology developed through that, to be able to actually import an MVR file into your phone, and then through that actually check off fixtures as they're prepped and put into activation. So as you set the DMX addresses, it just goes on and on and on and checks off the fixtures as you're loading them into your show. But one other feature that we've added is the ability to use fixtures that don't have NFC within that same system. So as you check off a fixture and set the address, even if it isn't a Chauvet fixture or it's an older Chauvet fixture, that will actually show up in your MVR file to show that it is hatched. Lastly, it also pulls data from your fixture. So let's say that you had an error code pop up during a show, and now you're back at the shop, and inevitably those error codes never come up ever again. We have the ability to pull that information from the fixture and actually see the exact time and fixture settings that were there around the error code. So you can pull the error code, or you can pull the error code yourself and email that to us, let us know what's going on with your fixtures, and that helps us actually diagnose the issues with your fixtures. Highly recommend checking that out. That's going to be on our website as well, and it's also a download in the iOS App Store, so you can get that app now and check it out for sure. Another thing we've done over the past few years is really embracing app development within our Well series. The app we have for the Well series is called the Connect, and what that does is it allows you to very complex shows with our battery-operated wireless device fixtures. So you can actually, inside the Connect app, you can previs where all of your fixtures are going to be inside of a room, set up groups, set up your DMX addresses, all that kind of information, and then you're able to go ahead and actually develop a show around that. What's also cool with that is you can email that show to other people who have the Connect apps built into their phone. So if you're in a corporate setting or in a rental situation, if you have multiple people that are running the same show, you can share that show amongst people and really make that connectivity a lot easier. That way you're able to duplicate those same effects. Other technologies that we're working on now is building ecosystems within our Ovation series, so that no matter which Ovation fixture you're using, the light coming out of the fixture is all within the same CIE space. So in that way, you're able to actually use all of our Ovation fixtures are going to produce same red, blue screens and that kind of stuff. So that way, when you are building a show, no matter what, if you're using a Fresnel, a PAR, or even within our house lights, you're going to be getting those same exact colors throughout your entire rig, which makes programming a lot easier, and it makes the overall experience for your viewers a lot nicer too. Chauvet is a company we've been around for a long time. We've done everything from the pictures up to the professional pictures. We also have a couple different companies that work with us. We own CamSys, which is our controller series. We have Lintech, which is our power company. They deal with a lot of breaker systems and control breaker situations. We also work with KinoFlow and Lightgear, which are two well-known companies within the video, broadcast, and film industries. And we're all able to share technologies throughout all of those groups in order to create solutions that are complete turnkey solutions for every kind of situation. And that's kind of Chauvet in a nutshell.